like blizzarding right now or something. I don't know if blizzarding is a word. If it's not, it should be, because that's kind of awesome. So anyway, I'm just driving through the little blizzard going to Pizza Hut because I am insane. Yeah, and that's a problem. That's a problem with me, but you know, I don't question your ways. So yeah, just kind of let it go. Let it go, man. Let it go. Seriously. Anyway, you know, I guess it was like, what, 60 degrees yesterday, and all of a sudden it's like really cold. In a couple spots, the snow's finally starting to stick to the road. It's kind of strange how we got like a 40 or 50 degree drop in like one day. I'm not a conspiracy theorist or anything, but if I was, I'm telling you, I'd probably have I'd probably have something more to say about that. It's the aliens. It's I don't know. Maybe the Earth tilted a little again. Does that sometimes, you know? We're kind of spinning around the sun at like millions of miles an hour or something like that. Something weird's bound to happen every now and then. That's you know, just kind of what I'm saying here. So anyway, let me turn into this little shopping center here without skidding all over the place and dying. Because, you know, skidding and dying would kind of put a damper on things. I would reckon. So let's go out and see if they got the pizza. I almost crashed into that thing, but that's okay. Oh goodness. Look at all the snow. Oh, it's so snowy. It's coming down. Okay. Let's see here. Oh. Oh. Okay. You see that coming down? That's like coming down. The snow's coming down sideways. Is that normal? Oh, no, now it's straight again. Ooh, it's swirly. Okay, I got this done. The package has been achieved just before the blizzard makes it, well, so that I can't really go anywhere. It's kind of hunker down mode weather. You know, this is the point where if you haven't gone out, you probably shouldn't. If you are out, you need to go back to the house. And you know, I kind of feel bad for people that are stuck at work during a blizzard because, you know, they gotta drive home through this crap. That's hardcore, man. I mean, of course, how hardcore am I? I'm like driving around holding a camera. It'll be fine. What could possibly go wrong? You know what? That has got to be somebody's famous last words. I'm telling you. Because something like that, you know, I can't really see very far down the road, but I'm going to cross the 4-lane anyway because what could possibly go wrong? Wow. Yeah, it's really coming down. I think they said like 2 feet, something like that, snow. I mean, we're supposed to be buried, man. Absolutely buried. But you know, that's just part of life. I mean, it's winter time. What do you expect? I mean, if you didn't get pummeled on, you know, that's not really a real winter. You know, that's kind of what the season does. It pummels people with snow. Probably shouldn't be going too fast around here. Crash! Ooh, that'd be a bummer, eh? Anyway, I just wanted to share my little blizzard with everybody today. I wonder if anyone's in that next. Nope, guess not. Wanted to share my little blizzard escapade with people today. I really can't see very far ahead, and yeah, it's not really dangerous yet. But like I said, if people aren't headed home by now, then they probably shouldn't be out. So anyway, I hope everyone has like a safe and wonderful blizzard, and let me know how it goes down. Let me know. I'm curious about stuff like that. Oh man, there's a school bus. Yeah, it's about the time of day. Kids are in about an hour are gonna have to be walking home through this. That's interesting stuff. Anyway, I digress. Oh, this pizza smells wonderful. You smell wonderful, Mr. Pizza. I tell you what. Oh, I can see the steam. Can you see the steam coming out of that? Are you kidding me? Oh, that's killing me. It's killing me. You see the steam coming out of the box? You gotta be kidding me. Anyway, yeah, that's all I got for now, folks. You have an absolutely wonderful day. If you've watched this whole thing, then you're just freaking awesome. So I'll see you all on the flip side. Hello, thanks for watching. If you don't mind, if you could like and subscribe, that would be lovely. Thank you, and have a nice day.